This is Word Lesson 3, and we're going to look at some automatic features that you can use in Word today. So let's go ahead and let's open up a data file just to work with, just to play with. Let's go to your data files. Let's go to Lesson 3, and let's just choose top one, application. Okay. So when using automatic features, these are things that you can really use to your advantage, so you don't have to go back and correct things all by yourself. So the first thing we're going to look at is autocorrect. Autocorrect's going to basically change some common capitalization, spelling, and different typing errors. Now you can tell we've got some different things that may be corrected up here. Okay, we've got something with a green line up here under it, which means, hey, it might be a different type of spelling. So what you can do is right-click it, and you can change it if you'd like. We've actually got a blue underlined here as well. That just means, hey, that the type, it's the right word, but maybe you need a different tense. Okay? Then we have one in red as well. This is just a common misspelling for you right here. So anytime you have a little underline, red, green, or blue on here, you can always right-click to change it or ignore it. But you can also go to some autocorrect features up on the File tab. So let's go to File, and we want to go to, let's see, we want to go to Options. Okay, so what did I just do? I went File, Options, and we're going to click Proofing. Now you can see under Proofing, this is where you can change some of these autocorrect options. So if you click autocorrect options, then what you're going to see is a bunch of different stuff. We've got autocorrect, which means that anything you type in here, like let's say you misspell something pretty commonly. For me, that's because. Okay, so if how would you spell it? Because, A-S-U-E, you can replace it with because. All right, so they've already got that in here. So that means anytime you misspell it, maybe this way, Word is going to automatically change it to the right case, which is pretty nice. So let's do an example. Let's say you don't want to type out your name every time you're using a document, so you just put your initials. So my initials are JS, and I want that to be replaced with my full name. So every time I have to put in Jill Smith in a document, I don't have to type it out. I can just put JS. Now we'll see it says automatically use suggestions from Spelling Checker. Yeah, that's fine. Everything else will keep the same. So I'm going to click Add. And if you see down here, it's like, okay, it's added to our autocorrect stuff. So if you wanted to delete it, you can actually delete it as well. So let's go ahead and close it and exit out. And let's go to the bottom here after sincerely, and let's just type those initials, JS. Okay, I'm going to type JS and then hit space. Ooh, look at that. It automatically changes it to my name. And you can do that with anything here in Word. So again, to customize autocorrect options, you would go to File, Options, Proofing, and here you can change autocorrect right here. So this has been looking at some automatic features. The next thing we are going to look at is auto formatting as you type. Okay, so auto formatting as you type is the same place. It's under Proofing, autocorrect options, and auto format as you type. This just means anytime you're like formatting something in a document, it's going to automatically help you. So that means at the beginning of each sentence, you won't have to automatically capitalize it, okay? So everything that's checked on here, you know, and you can uncheck these if you want to. I'm going to just keep all of these because anything that Word's going to automatically help me with, I'm going to take, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and there we go. So this is Word Part 1, just some quick automatic features that can help you whenever you're formatting.